Hello, I am Savera. Today I am here representing a rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is an herb and mostly available in Mediterranean region. It is usually for several purposes, mostly for the food, beauty, cleaning, health, and other purposes. It is also antioxidant and inflammatory. Composition. Basically, as I said, it is found in most of the Mediterranean region, and it is extracted from mostly aerial parts and the leaves of the rosemary plant. Out of a total 30 constituent representing a 69.2 to a 60.8.2 constitution of the rosemary oil. Major constituents of the oil were camphor, cineol, alpha-pinone, verbenone, camphinone, limonene, borale acetate, alpha-terpenol, and beta-pinone. Process of extraction of oil. There are several processes of the extraction of the oil, but mostly use a steam distillation process, which is widely used for the extraction of a rosemary oil. Steam distillation process consists on a several steps. Like a vegetable matter was placed in the glass column, of which the lower and a higher part were connected to a water flask and a condenser. A water vapor produced in the flask crossing the plant charged with essential oil then to the condenser, where it is condensed. After a condensation, the oil is separated from the water by a decantation. The extraction of essential oil by hydrodistillation was carried out under the same conditions as steam distillation. The only difference is that in this case, the vegetative matter is laid out in the flask containing water and the unite until it carried to boil. The vapor mixture of water oil produced in the flask then passes to the condenser where it is condensed. The oil is recovered after a distillation. Basically, the oil is come at the top layer and top layer of the flask, and then we extract from it there. Here is a process flow diagram about the extraction of a rosemary oil. Crude rosemary leaves, humidation, humidified rosemary leaves, instantaneous compression, treated rosemary leaves extracted by the steam distillation. There it is also further divided in two phases, organic phase and aquatic phase plus EO, and solvent extract, and then EO is separated and CG analysis. Diagrammatical representation of a extraction of a rosemary oil is here. Economical potential. Rosemary oil is a very important. It has a very economical potential. It is used for the medicine and commercial uses. It is also used in fragrances and food industries. Almost the important part group of a compound isolated from a plant are the abetine type of phenol dipyrrhetinase that account for most of the antioxidant and many pharmacological activities of the plant. Rosemary oil is also nowadays is used for the diseases like Alzheimer's disease and many other further purposes. Patent. Patent is a right. It is a part of intellectual property. It is a right which is given to the owner, exclusive right to it contain a right which give owner an exclusive right to exclude the other person from using a product or invention that is made by him. Invention include any and useful products, and the invention which is already present in the market cannot be included into the patent. In a patent, we must invent something unique, something different. Example of the registered patent. USA patent method of using a rosemary extract composition for weight management. This patent is belong to the USA and its application number is 627268881 and filed September 4, 2008. It is about the using of a rosemary extract for the weight management. It is generally related to the treatment of a health, weight management, and more particularly the invention related to the composition derived from rosemary and a method of it used in a weight management. Summary of the invention. The inventor discovered a composition of a rosemary extract and uracilic acid which provide an unexpected efficiency in the management of a body weight. So it is a unique invention of a USA that the rosemary oil basically used for the beauty, medicine and all other purposes, but it was the first time it is used for the weight management. Furthermore, it is an object of invention to provide a method of a modulating body weight wherein the method compresses administrated to the patient in need thereof. A composition comprises a rosemary extract wherein the extract comprises a uracil oil. Claims. There are several claims by this product, this registered patent. A method for reducing a body weight fast. The method of a claim 1 when the administrative said composition reduce their body weight in said patent. The second claim that prevent and inhibit a weight gain in a said patient. Further, said composition maintain said patent body weight. Furthermore, reduce a body fat in a said patient. Basically, it is used for mostly for the patient to reduce their weight. Mostly the diseases like an obesity, for the patient it is difficult to reduce their weight for them and by the exercise, because their habitual is such a type they cannot very easily reduce the weight by their dieting or any other purposes. So it is a great invention of the USA. They use the rosemary extract for the weight management, and by this way we can manage the disease of obesity by reducing the weight of the patient and by reducing their fat, and moreover it is prevent a fat gain, overweighting, obese. This is the main claim of the patent. Thank you for continuing with me until now. Now the further claims was given by the product inventor was that where is power liquid by tablets. It was a use for the several medicines also, that was also used for the weight defection, and it was a very easy and a healthy way by which we can manage the weight of the person. Moreover, the rosemary oil is not only used for this purposes, it has many other several purposes, such as it is used in a cosmetics, hair fall, or for cooking, as a cooking oil, and so many purposes. Thank you for with me to hear my whole representation. I believe that you like my presentation. Thank you.